with Booleans, they're a value that only has two possible values, true or false. So yeah, it represents two possible values, true or false, and it represents condition, and they're used with if statements, which we'll learn tomorrow. And in the example, you can see that you can set it to false, and it'll print false. But I want to show you the difference between a Boolean and a string. Okay, so let's just get rid of all of this. So we have true. Oh, okay, true
Oh, it's capital T.
or
Oh, okay. Sorry.
false equals true. Okay, so that's a Boolean right there. But let's say we make a string too. So word equals true. So again, when we printed, remember when we printed the number in the string, they printed the same thing. If we print the true or false, and then we print word, they're going to look the same.
Oh,
But the thing with these is that they're used in different ways, and they're completely different in some situations. Like when we learn the if statements, while loops, they're going to be used in a way that strings cannot be that way. The compiler doesn't know that the string is representing true or false. It's basically, you get two options. It's like having to choose between 0 and 1. There's no in between, like when you do if you count from 0 to 100. And that's pretty much it with Booleans.